Hey guys, it's Jake Mace, the vegan athlete. I'm in Oregon. I've left Arizona forever and I'm now in Oregon visiting Nicole's family before we head out and begin our woofing trip. Woofing, W-W-O-O-F, the worldwide organization of organic farming. We're gonna try to visit many countries over the next year on different continents and woof with real families who run real farms and learn how different cultures garden, prepare food, and live sustainably on this planet. One of the coolest things I just did was I put all my gardening knowledge about fruit trees, raised bed gardening, soil, permaculture into an online gardening course. And it just launched about 3 days ago. You guys can get the link if you click on it down below. This course is wonderfully comprehensive. It's amazing for beginners who want to cut through the fat and learn how to garden the right way from day one and save a lot of money, because you'll save a lot of mistakes that I made that I'm gonna help you guys not to make. If you're a master gardener who's already gardening successfully, this is gonna be a class you might learn one or two things with, but you're definitely gonna get some inspiration, motivation to keep on gardening. And if you're the kind of person who just loves watching gardening videos and doesn't have the room or the land to garden yet, this could be like a scouting mission course that's very affordable, very clean, wonderfully produced by my friend Derek with DIY Homestead Projects. And you guys can watch this video as like a pre-learning before you get land and a garden of your own. So I'm wandering through the streets of Eugene, Oregon right now. There are beautiful 100 to 200 year old trees everywhere. Look at the size of these Ponderosa Pines. They're as thick as like 5 people. And I really forgot, being in the desert so long, how just regular parts of the city have beautiful shade trees and other plants, many of which are edible. Hey guys, it's Jake Mace, the vegan athlete. Not my usual attire, but I am here in Arizona still. Got the beautiful Superstition Mountains behind me at sunset. This view is insane. I'm being told by the owners of this property that it's rattlesnake season. I better be careful. They don't know that I'm not here all the time. And one of the coolest parts about Arizona is the springtime. There's so many things that are edible during every season in Arizona. Coming up next month, the wolfberries come into season. Coming up in like the late summer and sometimes even the fall, the prickly pear fruits, the tunas are in season. And right now it's beginning of May. And if you guys notice around the valley, like the Superstition areas here, Scottsdale, Tempe, everywhere on the valley, you'll see plants like this one called the Palo Verde. And the Palo Verde, all those yellow flowers are edible and they turn into edible seed pods that are like sweet peas or edamame. You pop the green seed out of the pod and eat it like edamame. It's so delicious and amazing. I'm actually at a wedding, taking a little bit of a break. And this tree right here is the ultimate Arizona native tree. It's an ironwood tree. And the ironwood right now is about 3 weeks or so behind the Palo Verde when it blooms. And if you notice, the ironwood tree has these purple flowers on it. You guys will see all around the valley, these trees off the freeways, off the different streets around town. You'll see these trees with a light purple hue. And this light purple hue is these ironwood flowers. I'm gonna see if I can actually touch the screen and get them to clear up here. So these ironwood flowers are incredible. They're all over this tree. They're everywhere on the ironwood. In about a month or two or longer from now, maybe end of the summer, they turn into delicious edible peas. You can pop the pea out like edamame. But right now you can actually pick these flowers and eat the purple flower. It's totally edible. And it tastes kind of like a pea sprout. If you guys ever had peas and you sprouted them and ate this pea sprout, it tastes like pea sprouts. So guys, get your stuff in gear. If you're gonna live in Arizona, have a diet like a desert dog should have, like an Arizonan should have, and eat trees, eat cactus, eat the native things growing in your area. And the springtime Palo Verde yellow flowers, ironwood purple flowers are my favorite. The saguaro is flowering. And that means in a few months from now, you can actually eat the saguaro fruits as well. Guys, native peoples have survived here in the desert for thousands of years. I'm leaving the desert tomorrow. But if you guys are gonna stay here, I want you to eat the cactus, eat the jojoba bushes. J-O-J-O-B-A, look it up. Eat the chupa rosa flowers, chupa rosa, they taste like cucumbers. Eat the edamame off the ironwood and Palo Verde, and get an immune system and a blood system and an organ system and a body that is full of the native foods that the desert provides. And then you'll be impervious to all allergens and disease that's in this area. I really hope you guys go out and plant some native edible trees for your area. And if you're in hot weather climates, go get mesquite, Palo Verde, and Ironwood for sure. Maybe try to go get some chuparosa and jojoba and edible cactus like the nopales or prickly pear as well. So talking about my new online gardening course, I would say 95% of the information in the course is general gardening information about building soil, raised beds, permaculture, protecting your plants from the winter and the summer, using wood chips, using rock dust, fruit trees, raised bed gardening, in-ground gardening, how to set up an irrigation system, what seeds to plant, what plants to buy, etc., etc. But I would say 5% of the gardening course is going to be very unique and amazing for those of you growing in hot weather climates like me. Arizona, Southern California, Nevada, Florida, Texas, hot weather climates. So if you're somewhere else in the world that's not as hot as Arizona, this gardening course is still great for you because it uses the principles and the fundamentals of good gardening. But for those of you in hot weather climates, you get an added bonus by seeing a desert dog like me and how he gardens at home. So please go check out the online course right now. This is our launch of the gardening course, so it's only on sale for a few more hours until midnight tonight. So if you want to get it at a discount, it's a screaming deal. Click on the link down below and check out my new online gardening course. And if you want to get access to my free new blog, where I'll be blogging my upcoming woofing experiences, you guys can go to learnfromjake.com and get access to my blog by sending me an email. I also have a link on the homepage of learnfromjake.com for the online gardening course. Go check it out. There are some free videos there you guys can check out and see if it's for you before you buy it. Okay, I gotta go get to another city in Oregon and then to the airport to get to Portugal. I love you guys. Go vegan, grow your food at home, and I'll see you real soon.